artistic, one of your own. So you better rearrange your philosophy.
Over the years, our support towards the creative industries in Malawi has increased, and through our various cultural programs, we keep realizing how rich the creative industries in Malawi are. We continue to work with them in order to foster cultural diversity, promote expression, and to boost economic potential of the artists.
It is a great honor for Zomba to host this national event here, which aims at promoting the city as a tourist destination and also promoting issues of unity and culture.
And it is a great honor to be able to program so much amazing talent from Malawi and now also from abroad. And I hope you all, as the audience, enjoy what we do, and we will keep doing it hopefully for many more years.
So Zomba City Festival is of great significance, and mainly the theme, because the theme is building brighter future. If we are trying to aspire creating brighter futures, what it means, there are three things that are happening, either or. Either the futures are being built, but they're not brighter. Either the futures are there, but they're not being built. Or either we are not building futures. Three of those.
Thank you so much for inviting us. I really want to see this. I was talking to the organizers to say, how often do you do this thing? They were saying once every year. But in now I want it to be cast in stone. We have talent in Malawi. And in Baribe, there's no one that is sitting in their office thinking about how to improve our talent or how to build on our talent. We are going to do it ourselves.
I officially welcome you to this city and also consider this festival officially opened. God bless you, and I wish you all.
Hey, hey, international day inside. Hey, different weekend. Different weekend. Different weekend.
Stable.